Learn how to use the screen height property to find the total vertical pixel height of the user's physical device monitor. We want to look at how we can read monitor height together in this example. Just like the way the screen width measures across, the screen height looks at the physical display hardware vertically. That is, it measures the total height of the entire monitor or device screen from the absolute top edge to the bottom edge. So let's quickly look at the example. In this example, we don't need to add anything in our HTML section. Instead, we go straight into the script tag and write the example. But for a demonstration purpose, let me just put something simple here. I want to add a paragraph inside this place. The screen height property returns the height of the visitor screen pixels. Good. So now that I'm in the script tag, I'll call on document.getElement by ID method. I'll pass in the demo dot inner HTML equals to then string. The screen height is, then add a space and call on the screen dot height property. Boom, we have the screen height is 864. So this example shows how the script automatically detects the total vertical pixel resolution of my physical computer and output that exact number onto the page. So what this does is that it measures the total height of my entire screen from the absolute top edge here down to the bottom edge, and then output the exact number onto the page. As you can see that the screen height is 864. So I can take this and put it here. So this is one of the places where this can yes, the screen height property returns the height of the visitor screen in pixels. The screen height is 864. So the screen dot height properties here queries the user's device settings to get the total vertical resolution of the display hardware in pixels, while the document.getElement by ID demo.inner.html targets the empty div class. So it targets this empty div class that I have here. So you can see this place is empty. So this is an empty div. So it will target this div class with an ID of demo, and then insert the text string that is gotten from here along with the raw pixel height number fetched by screen.height. So it will insert this text string, the screen height is, along with the exact number or the raw pixel height number fetched by this property that we have here. So here are a few takeaways from this property. Number one, the screen height represents the total height of the physical monitor hardware, no matter how small or large you resize the browser window. So even if I make this to be more, to become, more smaller like this, it does not change the fact that this method this property represents the total height and not just the current browser window resize or whatever. So if I take it back, it will still not change anything, because what I am working with, this property has nothing to do with whether my browser window is resized or not. It has everything to do with the physical hardware reading of my browser. Number two, the return value is an integer based on the maximum vertical pixel layout of the user's display screen. You can see that the result is an integer base based on what is calculated as the maximum vertical pixel layout from the absolute top to the absolute bottom of the web page. So the screen height property is handy when it comes to getting to know your real physical laptop or desktop or monitor screen size from the top or the absolute top to the absolute bottom.